Get ready. 3 seconds to go. Start. Friends, we all are aware that life is a very long journey which has no ends, where we keep on moving till the end of our breath. Everyone of us has lot many dreams and expectations from life. Some of us want to earn easy money in a night and enrich with all the comforts of life. Here I narrate you a story based on business and business ethics, where you can see hard work, success, failure, betrayal, perseverance, and achievement of a businessman. Samrao, a mill worker from Banaras, was on his way to Mumbai for setting up his new livelihood as the rice mill where he worked shuts down all of a sudden and he became jobless. He was fed up with his life and family responsibilities. After having struggled a lot at his hometown, he decided to come to Mumbai, the city of dreams. In his train journey, he comes in contact with a stranger named Raj Prasad. After conversing with each other over a while, they became good friends. He got to understand that Raj Prasad was into a small business of food catering services. Samrao was coming to Mumbai for the first time to meet his uncle for seeking his help in getting some job. After reaching Mumbai, Raj Prasad helps Samrao to trace his uncle's place to stay. Then they exchange their contact numbers for being in touch with each other. For over some period, they had been in contact with each other till Raj Prasad leaves to Dubai for his new business proposal. Later, with his uncle's support, Samrao anyhow managed to set his small income business of selling homemade foodstuffs every door to door. As per the mutual understanding, he supposed to give his 40% of the earnings in a day to his uncle for repaying his liabilities. He used to work hard day and night, visited home to home, shop to shop for getting delivered his food items. Initially, his sale was quite low. Gradually, with his hard work and convincing powers, he developed his earnings. Over a period of time, he repaid all his debts to his uncle. Then later he builds up his own small business of food catering services and also takes up a rented small house to stay with his family. His small family consisted of his wife Nirmala and only son Vihan. They lived happily with whatever they earned from their catering business, which served all events like birthday parties, wedding receptions, and other functions, etc. The taste, flavor, and his food quality was getting widespread, and in no time he earned remarkable profits out of it. His catering services became famous and well developed. He then sends his son Vihan abroad for higher studies. His only dream was to make his son a successful businessman and develop into a hotel business sector. After a long gap, Vihan returns back to India. He pursued his degree in hotel management. He supported his father Samrao and fulfills his dreams of hotel business. Now they created their own group of hotels known as Desi Group of Hotels. Vihan met all his father's expectations and desires. In a short time, he captured his footsteps in hotel industries and turned into a great royal talented businessman. Vihan successfully gained high reputation, name, fame, investments, assets, and other own establishments. Samrao was really very proud of his son. Later, as desired by his parents, he gets married to his father's childhood friend's daughter, Mala from Banaras, who was from a poor family. Both Vihan and his family felt lucky to have Mala as their daughter-in-law and wife of Vihan. Further, as Samrao was getting old and tired, he felt that he had his talented and trustworthy son Vihan, who looked after the business smoothly, so now he planned to rest at home. Vihan became a very good businessman as the business grew day by day. He also grew up with business. Gradually, he developed his lifestyle and status as more wealth and success touched him. Later, he occasionally drinking, smoking, and entertainment became his personal weakness. Day by day, he got more addicted into it, which then, over a period of time, became his necessity. As the work pressure was increasing, Vihan now decided to appoint a personal secretary to look after the daily schedule and routine tasks of his business. So after interviewing lot many candidates, he appointed a female, namely Lisa, who came to him through his newspaper ad reference. Lisa was young, smart, and professionally talented lady. In a very short period of time, she could pick up her job role and perform with dedication and sincerity. Vihan was well pleased with her work qualities. Her beautiful, catchy eyes and fascinating body structure always attracted him. She won Vihan's trust and heart. Now he used to spend most of his time with Lisa apart from business tasks and drew more closely to her. He shared all his moments with her. He was blindly fascinated by her and felt that he can't live even a single moment without her. So Lisa became more indispensable for him than his family and business. He never felt that he was betraying his family and business. He blindly poured money like water on all luxury and over expenditure. Full stop.